Hello, this video will show how to remove drawers from a Husky 10-drawer tool chest. The other day one of my drawers got stuck and I went nuts for a couple hours before I found out how to do it. I did call Home Depot's tech support and they stayed on the phone with me until I figured it out. Thank you, Home Depot. Here's how to do it. Pull the drawer all the way out. Come to the side, and if you look on it, you can see it right here. This little lever you press down. Screwdriver or your finger. Press down, pull it out, come to the other side, press up, press up, pull it out, it comes out all the way. Goes back in pretty easy. Like that. Thank you. Hope this saves you some